The next option I'd like to cover is how to go through the menu. So, how to put in the passcode to access the menu, and this will be the function menu for the in-out feature and then also the fleet mode. So you hold down the home button, hold that down, and then the passcode for this is the corner digit. So 1793, enter, and then it takes you to an app menu. So if you look, we can go to the axle settings and then press enter. And then there's the timeout. The timeout will be the timing as far as the capturing sequence on how long it takes for it to lock on. You can go through and edit that. So if I push F1, I can go through and I can change that 1 through 500 on the seconds. I'll go back. And then percentage drop last axle timing on there. So percentage drop 20%, and that goes from 5 to 80. So as soon as that percentage drops of 20%, it's going to wait the 20 seconds, verify that that axle has stabilized as far as that there's no additional weight being registered on the display. After that happens, then it will go ahead and reinitialize and then weigh the next truck, or basically it'll end the whole weighing process, and then it will calculate all the readings for it. So just to clarify on that, it will go ahead after the 20% drop in weight. It'll look for an additional axle, and so if I went through 1, 2, 3, weighed all my axles, just like the previous model, and then it will take and look at it for the 20 seconds, and if no axle, additional axle has been added to the equation, it's going to go ahead and calculate that. So basically, percentage drop 20% of the percentage drop, and then it's going to know that there's movement, and then it's going to basically release and let you weigh an additional axle, and then if there's no additional axle being weighed, it's going to wait 20 seconds to verify, and then after that 20 seconds it will go through its thing and then go ahead and record it. And then after it's recorded into the system, then you can go ahead and pull on and weigh with the next truck. So I'm going to back out of this now. And then if you go into the truck database, press enter, you can go through and set up IDs for the in and out feature if you want. We won't do that this time. Probably the most important is to go through on the fleet. We'll hit enter there, and then we will enter in if I have my, so I have a preloaded ID number 72, and I push enter. It's going to have, I can put in Tare, I can delete the Tare that's in there. So if I want to put a Tare in, let's go right over what I have in there already. Push 20,000 and then enter. And this allows me to put in a Tare in the fleet menu, and then I can go through and I can put other trucks in there too. So if I go enter, enter in the new ID. And then it's adding, and then I can go here, push Tare, and then I can put in 20,000 for that one as well. So now, if I go into my fleet, put in 23, enter, should have my tare weight in there as 20,000 saved up. And then reporting, go down here, and then I can branch it in, out, and then basically a full field report there. And then that would be transmitted to either the printer or to basically the USB. So we'll go, and then if we need to clear all the data, you can clear it out there. We'll go back. That basically is how you go through on primarily the fleet menu is what I would describe that as. So the 1793 is what you'll be using there. So that's going to be the programming and the settings that you would mainly change for the fleet weighing menu.